Hello friends, today we're going to see how to make creamy kheer or payasam, payas or pirini. So basically this pudding is very high nutritious because we're going to add our super ingredient is a chai seed, friends. Chai seed has huge amount of the nutrition value and mineral. So friend, this typical payasam we can serve after meal as a dessert. Let's see how to make. Welcome to the channel. Food is a God gift. This is your channel. It's a variety of a global cuisine. We love to make all type of dishes in detail and just for you, friends. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and click that red button and the bell button to get everyday notification new recipes. So friend, to make this creamy payasam, all you need 4 cup whole milk, half cup sugar, half cup vermicelli, half cups tapioca pearls, 2 tablespoon chai seed that I already soaked it earlier, almond, pistachio, cardamom, I just pounded earlier, sugar, and friends, the other ingredient is a Falooda mix. So friend, let's see how to make. So in the pot, I just start boiling the whole milk, and it should be fat full milk. Then we start boiling. Once it start bubbly and it start getting boiled, we're going to add that tapioca pearls. If you have the small tapioca, you can directly add it to the milk. If you have that, the bigger version, I really recommend to soak for some times. And now I'm adding that vermicelli, so let it cook. It should be take 10 minutes to cook completely, so keep it your temperature in medium high. Once it's done, after 10 minutes, we're going to add that Falooda mix. So inside the Falooda mix is already have lot of ingredient, but I found out the Falooda mix really give nice texture and creamy to our payasam. So that's the reason. So now I'm just add the sugar. So it's up to guys how much the sweetness you want. So I prefer a little bit less sweet, so I just added about half cup. Now I'm just adding the cardamom pounded, pistachio and almond slices. So friends, you always can any type nuts and dry fruits. You always can add the raisin or cranberry, dry cranberries, any type fruits. Even you can add that cut mangoes in the end. So it's a really good optional to make this kheer. So friend, basically the payasam is known in the South India, was very popular dish in Asian India time. It's being make it for many century back. They made this payasam and it's and written in history. So friends, now it's ready. Look at this. Now we can add that soaked chai seed in the kheer. So friends, I really suggested that we shouldn't cook that chai seed during payasam. Instead we just soak and add it in the end. So all that good omega-3 it will have it perfectly. So friend, now it's ready. It's just perfect and simply delicious. I hope you enjoy this video. Click that subscribe button and don't forget to click that bell button. Thank you.